everyone, I've got another little pattern to show you today. This one is done with gouache, and I used this. It's called a ruling pen. They're very cheap. You can get them on Amazon for like $6. A lot of times they'll also come in kits with like a compass or something, like a drafting tools set. And you just mix up some gouache in a separate little container. I use this little dish, and then you use a paintbrush once it's mixed to just kind of get some in between those tines there, and you can draw with it like a pencil, which I love to do. So this is all gouache. I mixed, for the color, I mixed about half and half titanium white and chromium oxide. It still came out a little darker than I thought it would. I was thinking this was going to be like a sagey color, but it still looks nice. And I just did a little Celtic twist pattern here. And this is a notebook. It's by Linen Toolbar. I got this for free, or I don't know if it's free. I don't know if it's always included in the package, but I ordered this Opus 88 Halo from Cult Pens, and it came with one of these little notebooks, which is just a dot grid notebook. The dots are pretty small, so it's nice for making patterns like that. And there you go. You can see it on the other side of the paper, just in case anybody's wondering, but it does not bleed through at all. So yeah, just a cute little pattern. If you want to see the whole process, go ahead and keep watching.